So in the Jenkins, so this is the Jenkins, right? Okay. Okay. Here we need to provide the GitHub credentials. Both are same. Because of the URL. Come down. Which one we are maintaining? Main branch. Okay. Okay. These thing, all thing I told you, right? A trigger build remotely, how it will work, build periodically, and like GitHub, like policy will be that. We are going to check this one. Okay. We are giving the star. So this means like this is a cron expression. Do you mean really every minute you want to search for the code? Okay. I'm enabling this policy I'm writing. So whatever things you updating in the here, right, in the Jenkins, the GitHub, automatically it will trigger the this one and it will deploy it. Okay. So next, we have seen all these things and build environments. So here the build steps, we are going with the invoking with the top level man targets. Click on this one here. Check select the Maven path execution path. Here clean and install. Clean install. Here we need to select the post build. What we need to select the post builder? Here we need to select the post build called deploy what to a container. Okay. Yesterday we have installed right deploy to container. Plugin we got installed. So that will provide the deploy where or here to the to a container like it will give. So if you click on this one, right, it will ask for the credentials like where. So if you click on here, right, you will get star where. You want directly you can provide this one, not an issue. Like it will check for the name, all those things it will check. The context path. If you see context path, right, the context path that container should be used publish the variant here. Note this may get overridden if the variant here to deploy has a container specific configuration embedded inside. So what we need to do, right? We need to provide the var name, like we are giving the var file name, right? So C1 4tech dot var. That file we need to give here. Here containers will be. So which one? Jellyfish, JBoss, that will be the another services like Tomcat. So what we are seeing with the Tomcat 8. See, as of now, in my Tomcat is running on 1990. Okay, you're able to see Tomcat is running on 1990, 8.5. So what I'm selecting here, I'm selecting the credentials. The Tomcat credentials will be there. So we need to enable the credentials. I will tell you like how to enable the credentials, all the things I will tell you. Okay, we'll select the Tomcat credentials. Then URL now we need to provide that till this URL. Okay, paste it. That's it. And you need to save. So automatically it will deploy. Okay, right now I'm having the one Tomcat. It already I deployed before. So I will remove this one. So it got removed. Nothing will be there right now. Okay. So what I will do, I will click on build now. So directly click on here, you can able to see the all the things what it doing here. So it got cloned the code. Okay, we're trying to build is successful and it's deployed. Deployment is finished. Where so if you come here, right, click on the manager app. So here you can able to see C1 footek.var. It got came now. Why? Because if you're not there, right, you don't come here. Like we need to enable this manager console, all those things. So after that only we can able to see all those things. So if you see here, is it deployed here? C1protect.var. I removed right before. So I deployed it. Automatically it took and it got updated. Right. How to check if you click on this one, right? Can able to see. Okay. Right. It can able it deployed properly. So like we have seen this one. Now we'll see one more thing here. Okay, now we have two builds only we did, right? Okay, we'll go to the GitHub. In the web apps index this JSP file, we'll update something. So just I'm committing this one. Wait for a minute. See here, you can able to see, right? Pending in the quiet period, expired in 0.22 seconds. I didn't build anything. Just I'm checking the things, right? Automatically got built. You got now, you can able to see here. What it did? It checked the copied the things, git, and he build successfully, it pushed. We'll check here. Right. I didn't build the manually, right? So this is how the Polasium it will work. So whenever you are updating the code in the GitHub, right, automatically it will trigger to the pipeline Jenkins job, then automatically it will deploy to the Tomcat server. So if you see again, we'll update one more name call. Second update. So second update. Commit changes. It's committed. We'll see here. As of now, only 3 will be there. We'll wait for some time. So automatically it will trigger the build and it will be run. It will deploy to the server. Okay. Yesterday we have seen how to install the Tomcat, all those things, right? We'll see the already we have seen, right? Meantime, we'll check how to install Tomcat. Tomcat. So this is a Tomcat page, right? So if you come here, the Tomcat page, these are the versions. You need to select the which version you want to download. So click on that one. So here in the Linux, right? In the Linux and Windows separate will be there. So Linux not tar.gz. Just right clicking and copying the file. Copy link address. This is my server, right? Okay. Here I'm using the 8.2, right? I will delete this one. Okay. How to download wget? That link address. So it automatically it will be copied to the local. Then what we need to do? We need to extract all the file. Like that is a zip file, right? How to extract tar -xvzf that tar file name. If you done right, it automatically extracted in the here. Here you can able to see. So now what you need to do? You need to move this. Just rename it Apache to Tomcat. You can make the rename like that. So what I'm doing, I'm moving this Tomcat to where /opt folder I'm moving. Nothing here, not there, /opt. Okay. This is my existing one, 8.5. I'm using that one. So this Tomcat is a 9. Okay. What are the things we need to do? Go to cd Tomcat. If you see here, actually, by default, Tomcat will be run on 8080 port. So in the 8080 port, what is running? It's running Jenkins. And 9090 port, we have Tomcat is running. So what we need to do? We need to change the port now again. Like at a time, it don't run, right? So here you have seen that it automatically build the file. So we'll check the website. Second. Did I did anything on this one? Automatic deployment is done, right? Okay. This is done with the deployment we done. So okay, the Tomcat what we need to we need to go to the configuration file. Where cd conf. Here in the conf, here you can able to see server.xml, right? You need to click on vim server.xml. In the server.xml, you need to update the port number. So here what is there? 8080, right? Okay, what I will go with the 8080. Okay, anything we can give. So and I will change the shutdown port also. Here server starting port 8005, right? So shutdown port also it will run. Why? Because 2 Tomcat servers, right? It will be take the single line, you will get the conflict. So you need to change the shutdown port. So I will go with the 6. So I am saving. Okay, then how to start this Tomcat server? See, let's start -tnlp. If you check it, right, only 8080 port, 1990 port is running. Okay, and 805 is there, 8005. That is shutdown port for Tomcat. In the Tomcat we have seen right 8005. So if you keep same thing, you are maintaining a multiple Tomcat servers, right? Then you need to change the shutdown port also. Server port and shutdown port. Both you need to change. We'll start. How to start? Okay. Here bin folder will be there. Go to this bin. CD bin. Here you can able to see. If you, it will be in the Windows, right? Bat file like that. It will be there. This is Linux, right? We'll go with a .sh. Startup.sh will be there, right? How to start? Dot slash startup.sh. So if you like this, right, we can able to see the Tomcat is running, started. Okay. So where you need to check check by a port is up and running or not. Net start -tnl. Is it running 8081? So the 8006. Got it? Why I changed the 8006? Why? Because you don't get the conflict. To get the conflict, right? It don't come up. Server will won't come up. How to shut down? That's the same thing. Like here it will be there. You shut down .sh. See here. One minute. I need to update this port number. So whenever you're doing, right, just try to update the port numbers also. Without port number not coming like that, don't do anything. Why? Because may you forget to add the port number. Yeah, like this kind of things only it will be important. Why? Because whenever you are giving, right, like whenever it's not coming, right, might be we need to check the security group level. We are allowed the port number or not, like that we need to check. Okay, this is 8081, right? 8081. See, 9 is running, up and running. So right now, what I want to do, I want to connect with the, like we have seen the manager right here. Okay, for the 8.5, we have seen the manager, right? You click on the manager, you are getting the access denied. So here for this one, what we need to do, right? Here you can able to see. Here they are mentioning you are not authorized to view this page. So for that, what we need to do, we need to add this these roles. So here what they are mentioning, if you have not changed any configuration file, please examine conf tomcat user.xml in your installation. That file must contain the credential to let you see the web app. Okay. So for example, manager.gui role to user name Tomcat with a password of secret. So we need to, if you add this, right, we're giving the username will be the Tomcat, password will be the secret. Okay, we'll add this one. Where actually cd. Okay, where conf right, cd conf. Tomcat user.xml file is there. We need to edit this one in Tomcat user.xml. If you see here, can able to see everything is commented. The top only Tomcat users only there, right? Everything is commented. So what I will do, we'll add the below. The below Tomcat users will be there right here. We'll copy this one. You can paste. So here you can able to see password will be secret, right? I don't want to give this password. You want to give any your own password? No, you can give. Just okay for our case, we'll give the same username, password, same Tomcat. Okay, okay. I'll click on OK. Then again, if you see here, this is for the manager. For the host manager, admin GUI. Can you able to see, right? This is the manager GUI. This is the admin GUI. So what we need to do, we need to copy this one. Like if you same thing, right? Role name, all the things we need to same, right? Okay, we'll copy this one. My role name, we'll copy. We'll add it here. Okay, then how can I add the next role, admin role? So in the roles will be there, right? Here, what I'm doing, I'm putting comma and giving the role here. Comma and role. So again, one more thing, like for the doing the deployments and all, you will get some error. Like on that time, we require the manage.scripts. Here, manage.scripts will be there, right? Allow access to HTTP API and status pages. So we need to provide this also. Okay, comma and give it here. Then, so again, what we need to do, we need to add the role here. Role is not there, right? To copy this one, just paste it over here. Manage scripts. Done. So after doing all those things, what we need to do? We need to start and stop the server. Okay. Oh, every time I'm not going to the bin folder. So directly again shut down and start from here. Dot dot na we can go back slash again bin cd dot dot, right? Cd, what is mean by cd dot dot? Cd dot dot changing directory to one back. So instead of the going like that, I'm doing from here itself. Okay. Bin shutdown dot sh. Then it got shut down. Then again I will start. Same how to start. Same start bin startup dot sh. Done. It both are up and running. So here again we'll click on here. Still we are facing the issue. See, we are not able to access. Okay, there might be issue with the here. Go on where we need to check, right? CD to come back. Here you can able to see one web apps, right? Go to web apps. Here manager will be there, right? Go to manager. Manager meta-inf is there, right? Go to meta-inf. In that context.xml will be there. So here you can able to say remote address value will be there, right? Like we are not giving any remote value, like our server where need to come, where need to go. That and all we are not giving here. So remote address value. So here we need to give our remote address value here. So we don't require these things, or as of now we don't need. So what I'm doing, I'm commenting this one. How to comment? Less than exclamation mark hyphen. That will be comment further from the line. There too, if you want to till now again down hyphen greater than. So this will be commented. Okay. Save this one. Again, go to same like that. You need to go to the host manager. CD host manager. Now in that also same meta file will be there. Same context.xml. Same remote address value. This here also will what we'll do, we'll comment it. Okay, I commented the value. Okay, if you restart, right, that will be good. I'm restarting the server. Done. So now we'll check. Enter. Okay, it's opening. Now see, it's asking for the username and password. What is the username and password? Tomcat. Right? There you can able to see the page got opened, right or not. So then what we'll do, we'll copy this one. We'll deploy the new application in this Tomcat server using the Jenkins. We'll go to here where configure in the post builds. We are using this one, right? Tomcat. So we need to add the credentials as well. 9. We'll add the credentials. Like that credentials will be different, right? Tomcat. What will give? Tomcat 9.0 will give. To identify, add. So we have added. So we have selected the 9.0. Done. Here we need to provide URL. Okay, done. Okay, save it. So what we'll do, we'll try to deploy it now. Build now. So it's building. Check the output. It got cloned all those things. Taking a time. Oh, it might be my network issue, I think so. So still this build is going on. Okay, actually what it will do, right? here in the Maven that are having the dependencies, right? If we download the dependencies from the internet, so this depends having the some MB of data, right? It will take data now. So if network bandwidth is not that much of good, right? It will take some time. Okay, so then fine. Okay, we'll leave it like it's building, right? It will take some couple of minutes, I think. So it will take. We'll come and we'll see again.